Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your UBS account. So the first option is the instant account verification. Enter the login credential at your financial institution and your external account will be linked to your UBS resource management account once we validate ownership of the internal account. And then we have also manual account verification, and then how to send money from your UBS account. So the first step is to log in to your banking services and then go to want to transfer fund and select add external account and then select getting started and then review and acknowledge terms and conditions and select accept. And then you can also log in to your banking services, transfer funds, and navigate to the manage accounts tab and add external accounts. Then select get started and then review and acknowledge terms and conditions and accept, and that's it. And then you can choose you can input the other account informations that you want to transfer funds to, and then choose the amount that you want to transfer and double check everything before sending, and then you can hit on send and accept that transaction, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.